So a number one common issue, here's a 14 Pro, and it's boot looping, and a lot of people say how to fix the boot loop, like in a lot of ways, but I'm going to show you guys how to fix this boot loop a whole lot easier. So anyways, when you open the phone here, and you got see right here, so we open the phone, we got the battery cable. Always make sure to undo that first, undo this cable up here, so, and then we got this third cable over here in the corner. Okay, now I'm going to show you what the fixes this super duper easy. Okay, so I got that right there, and I got another screen. So I'm going to pull this cable off and I'm going to put it on there. What happens sometimes is if the phone's ever got water damage maybe, or women with hairspray and things like that, whenever these things in a lot of the phones from like iPhone 7 and probably 6s and all that, whenever it gets like corrosion or wet water in there, causes the phone to boot loop. So you have to change it. It's called a proximity sensor. So it'd be a 14 Pro proximity sensor. And in all the series phones, whenever they seem totally toast and they're boot looping, change the top sensor there, and most likely that's going to fix the problem. I know there's a lot of YouTube videos that say all this garbage about special ways to reset your phone and this and that, but don't waste your life with half that garbage of people that don't know what they're doing, obviously, or that might have worked on one random phone, but it's not the common issue of what most people got with the problem. The problem that most people got is the sensor, and usually it's not updating the phone, and it's not this and that, it's this. Because they get them, they take them in the shower, they drop them in puddles, they drop them in rivers, and when the corrosion gets on that thing, your phone boot loops on like probably every series, probably even the iPhone 15 and all them. So the thing I always do is on a boot looping phone is I unplug this cable and I leave the monitor cable plugged in. Actually, I should show you that real quick. Show you that there will be no boot loop when I do that, so that you can see that the actual issue is that. So I don't have my stand, so it's kind of hard, so sorry about that, but at least we get to the issue right here. I'm going to plug this cable in, and I'm going to show you that it's this cable right there, and then I'm gonna go right here, get the power cable on. Yeah. And so anyways, when I then go on the phone and I go like this, you'll see there's no boot loop. How you doing?
Good. You busy right now?
And there it is. So you change that top cable and you got it. Yeah, you need a phone repair?
Yeah.
Okay, yep, I'll get you right now. Right when this phone boots up, there we go, boot.